Alright, so in this video I'm going to walk you through three things. Downloading the PedroPathing Quickstart, adding SlothLoad for hot code reloading, and then testing that it actually works. Let's get into it. First up, let's grab the PedroPathing Quickstart. Open Android Studio. Go to File, New, and then select Project from Version Control. I've dropped the repo URL in the description below, so grab that, paste it in, and hit clone. Now let that download and give it a minute to sync Gradle. Once it's ready, you'll have your three folders: FTC, Robot Controller, Team Code, and Gradle scripts. And that's your baseline PedroPathing project ready to go. Now the good part, SlothLoad. If you've ever waited 40+ seconds for your team code to upload, this fixes that. SlothLoad sends only your team code to the robot, and it lands in under a second. Everything I'm about to do is on the Sloth GitHub page, and I'll link it in the description so you can copy-paste along. We're doing all of this in your team code build in Gradle first. Then, since we're not using other dairy libraries here, add Sloth itself to the dependencies block. Next, the load plugin. At the very top of the same file, drop in that build script block. It pulls in Maven Central and the dairy releases repo. Then scroll down to your apply plugin lines. You'll already have 2 or 3 of them. And underneath, add apply plugin. If you want FTC dashboard working with Sloth, add the FTC dashboard dependency as well. Okay, now press sync Gradle. One important note, Sloth only hot reloads classes inside the org first inspire stuff etc time code package. So if you're on an older quick start where your files live somewhere else, move them into that package first, or the reload won't pick them up. Now, before we set up the fast tasks, we need one normal install to lay the groundwork, so this is where I went to GM0. The game manual is 0, grabbed a basic Mecanum drive op mode to have something real to run, then pressed run on the normal team code installation. First, wait about 30 seconds, and don't worry if it takes a bit longer than that, that's totally normal. Once that first full install is done, then you can start making SlothLoad changes. Now the Gradle tasks, this is what makes the fast deploy button exist. Go to edit configurations, add a new configuration, and pick Gradle in that config. Type deploySloth as the task and save it. Then we edit the existing team code configuration. Add a new Gradle task to it called removeSlothRemote. And make sure in the Gradle project box you type team code so it points at the right module, then drag removeSlothRemote so it runs first and save. And that's the setup done. Now we run the team code default installation. It may take a while. Here we can see our installation is successful. And now we can run SlothLoad. And that's it! Quickstart downloaded, SlothLoad added, and verified working. Your deploy times just went from 40 seconds to under 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.